Do you want to take back control and improve your quality of life while living with and beyond cancer? Sign up for free cancer-specific exercise classes to start moving more. Exercise can help you manage cancer-related symptoms like fatigue and can improve your fitness, including functional movements used in your daily activities. In addition, exercise provides several mental health benefits, such as improved mood, decreased stress, and diminished depression. Excel is a research study offering a free 12-week cancer-specific exercise program for those living in rural and remote locations across Canada. Our twice-weekly 60-minute group-based classes provide a safe, accessible, individually tailored, and supportive setting for you to move more. Your class instructor is a highly qualified exercise professional with cancer-specific training and experience. They will guide you through a safe and effective program that provides physical, mental health, and social benefits, and ultimately supports you to move more and see yourself as an exerciser. Excel is for individuals living with and beyond cancer. You can join us if you have a diagnosis of cancer, whether you're newly diagnosed, on treatment, or have completed treatment in the last 3 years, are over the age of 18, can participate in mild levels of activity, can read and write in English, and if you're joining an online program, have access to a device that can use Zoom and have stable internet. Follow these 3 easy steps to join our supportive Excel exercise community. Contact us by phone or email, complete our study consent form and intake screening procedure to ensure you're safe to exercise, and start moving more with us. Take a step towards living well with and beyond cancer by calling or emailing us today. We're happy to answer any questions and help you get signed up for our next round of Excel, with classes starting every January, April, and September.